If you would like to tag or email a discussion, on the discussion page, select the discussion that you would like to tag or email. Sometimes you may wish to draw the attention of a particular member or members to your comment. To do that, you add a tag. To add a tag in the text entry box, type the character @. You'll see a window open up directly below and select the person you want to tag. So the tag is there. You'd like to enter. And if it's urgent, you can select send an email and then select the comment button. And you see it right there. And now you know how to tag and email a discussion in Keepical.